What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on AMP, which has been more or less fluctuating at the current price range over the last 24 hours, and as you can see is one of the top not gainers but one of the top trending on CoinMarketCap, just about 3% up in the last 24 hours, making it 0.01174, and it's been quite volatile as well. We saw quite a major peak in value very early this morning, literally going from about 0.01146 to 0.01181. So what is going on with this crypto? It's been a while since I've made a video on this crypto, but a lot of you guys have requested, so I thought, you know what, let me make a quick update to see where it's heading to next. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Should you just hold on to it, so on and so on? Or would you rather, take out your money and put it into a different crypto that can give you much more return than AMP? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So last 24 hours, just about 3% up, nothing too crazy. Over the week, just about 2.5% down, and over the month, a massive 34% down. And we all know why, because of the major crypto crash that took place about a month ago. And it did start to recover, but yeah, it's been going downhill ever since then. So overall, it is down 34%. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up just about 23% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $8 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is being traded on AMP at the moment. But we can see a lot of people are starting to sell the tokens. As you can see, 70% sell against 30% buy. So yeah, majority of the people are getting rid of the AMP tokens, yeah, just selling it, hopefully on a profit. I'm not 100% sure because of the way it's been dropping, not even in the last month but over the last year itself. As you can see, it's been slowly dropping in value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing AMP at 0.01232. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value at 0.01173, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue line and the orange line are both looking bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. The only reason for that, I would say, obviously it has a peaked in value, but it wasn't too much. It was just a little peak in value. So right now it is slowly starting to drop in value. Again, I'm not saying it's going to be a complete drop or a huge dump in value or anything like that. There is going to be a minimal drop in value over the coming hours. Yes, we are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs. It's going to be quite volatile as well, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, seems to be just about more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, again guys, we are not looking too great on AMPs. So as you can see, the blue line and the orange line are once again looking bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect more drops in value on AMP, and again potentially to about 0.01150 or just below that is what I'm expecting, but again, nothing too crazy at the moment. Moving on to the big boy daily chart now, we are finally looking positive over the long run. So mid-July to late July, we should hopefully be heading upwards, slowly and steadily increasing in value over the coming weeks, and potentially heading to about the 2 cents target. We're going to have to take it slowly. We don't want the crypto to literally do about 70-80% one day and then drop 50% the next day, because that's just not stable. And if it does that happen, then it's not really worth investing into it. But what we want is a slow and steady increase in value on AMP. And yes, myself, I've invested into this quite a while back, and I haven't bought more. I haven't sold it. I'm just holding on to it, waiting for it to go back up in value. But We all know that most cryptos do depend on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin decides to take a little drop in value, then we know most cryptos are also going to follow the similar pattern. And if it decides to pump up in value, then most cryptos are also going to follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin. So if you guys want regular price updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin, daily predictions, and want to know what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you guys need to do is simply subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join, because after that it will increase to $29.99. But don't worry, for the first 100 members that join for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what does this subscription include? I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, giving you guys a reason why I'm investing into it as well, and give you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, sometimes even twice a day depending on how volatile the market is, on what to expect that day and that week from Bitcoin and most of the other cryptocurrencies as well, and obviously answering any questions you guys may have, any queries, or also giving you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys ask for. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So as you can see, we are trading in the, let me have a look here, we'll get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. We are trading in the red zone at the moment, which is not looking too great. As you can see, we're in the lower part of the red zone as well. And the last time we were trading at around the current price range was back last year in about February time, and ever since then we've been heading upwards, but we are all the way back down to where we were last February, so over a year ago. And yeah, it's not looking too great, and as you can clearly see, it's only heading downwards, guys. It's literally dropping. Yes, we've seen peaks here and there in between, but overall it is doing nothing but dropping in value. So I'm expecting it to drop in value over the next couple of days, but overall over the next few weeks, hopefully we should be able to pick up value, but nowhere near the green zone. I'm expecting it to hit about the 2 cents target and then potentially fluctuate around that current price range, but I'm not expecting it to hit anywhere the 3 cents target or anywhere near the green zone. So most likely for the rest of the year we are going to be trading in the red zone, and yeah, not hitting the green zone anytime soon. Maybe next year, but again, we still got a lot of time for that. So for now, it is the red zone, and that's the only analysis I can do at the moment, because yeah, heading upwards that much is not really something that we should consider on AMP at the moment. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto, guys. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are. I want to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below how far you guys can think this crypto can go. Is it going to keep going up, or is it going to drop back down in value? Comment down below. And that is pretty much it. On that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. A massive shout out and a massive thank you to all of you guys. Keep supporting the channel and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.